Alright. If you guys have the LF Brothers heat leader, I don't know if this works with all of them, but you got the little inlet hose. That's where it sucks the fresh air in. Alright, right there. I got a hose coming inside the tent. So it's sucking air in here, running through and coming out. Alright? So, this is like twice as hot as it was before. The other thing that I noticed is that before it was like 14 to 17 watts on low. Now it's like 7 to 9 watts. So I'm using like half the power. Crazy. And I mean, like right here, my hand is starting to, that's hot.
And you're standing right in the way while I'm cooking it.
I know.
So,
Thank you for ruining